Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel UK Desi Vlogger. Today's topic is really interesting, especially for those who want to start an online business. We will be talking about Shopify dropshipping for beginners. I will explain in simple and easy steps what Shopify dropshipping is, how you can get started, and the tools and also strategies that are helpful for beginners. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will be clearing all your basic doubts. Shopify dropshipping let you sell product online without stocking inventory. Customer order from your store and suppliers ship directly to them, making it a low cost, beginner friendly business model. So, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell product online without keeping any inventory yourself. Instead of buying stock in advance, you only purchase the product from a supplier after a customer places an order on your store. The supplier then ship the product directly to the customer, which means you don't have to worry about storage, packaging, or shipping. So guys, now it's a time of talk about few pros and cons, which is advantages and disadvantages. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is the low startup cost since you don't need to invest in bulk inventory. It is also flexible. You can run it from anywhere and test different products quickly. On the downside, profit margins can be low because you rely on the third party supplier and you have less control over product quality, packaging, and shipping times. Customer service can also be challenging when issues like delay or defective product occur. How it works in 2025? In 2025, dropshipping has become more advanced and competitive. Customers now expect faster shipping, better product quality, and strong customer service. To succeed, most dropshippers use automation tools to manage inventory, process orders, and track shipments in the real time. Many sellers are shifting towards sourcing from local or regional suppliers like UK, EU warehouse instead of only using platforms such as AI Express because faster delivery, build trust. Branding, niche targeting, and strong marketing strategies are also most important than ever to stand out in a crowded market. It's a time of discuss about how dropshipping works. Dropshipping is a simple business model where you act as the middleman between the customer and supplier. Instead of keeping stock yourself, you list product on your online store. So when a customer places an order, you forward that order to your supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. This means you never handle inventory, packaging or shipping. Your profit comes from the difference between the price you charge the customer and the cost you pay the supplier. It is a low risk way to start an online business since you don't need to invest heavily in inventory upfront. Now we will discuss about setting up your Shopify store step by step. Create your Shopify account, go to the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. Enter your email, store name and password. This will give you access to your dashboard where you will manage everything. After that, choose a theme. Pick a professional theme from Shopify's free or paid options. Customize it to match your brand's color, fonts, and style so your store look attractive and trustworthy. Then add a domain name. Instead of using Shopify default link, connect a custom domain like www.yourbrand.com to make your store looks professional. Then set up our essential pages. Add important pages such as home, about us, contact, privacy policy, refund policy, and shipping information. And then add product. Import product using dropshipping apps like Desi, Pocket or CJ Dropshipping, or add them manually. Write clear product description. Upload high quality images and set competitive prices. Organize your store, create collections like new arrivals, best sellers, or by category so customers can easily browse and find what they are looking for. Set up payments. Enable payment gateways like PayPal, Shopify payments, or Stripe so the customers can pay securely using their preferred method. Configure shipping settings. Decide whether to offer free shipping, flat rates, and calculated shipping. Make sure your shipping policy is clear to avoid customer confusion. After that, test your store. Place a test order to check if everything works smoothly from checkout to payments to confirmation emails. Fix any issues before going live. Launch your store. Once you are satisfied, remove the password protection. Make your store live and start promoting it through ads, social media, or influencer marketing. Finding a profitable Nike, choosing the right Nike is the foundation of a successful dropshipping business. A profitable Nike should have high demand, low to medium competition and product that solve a problem or add value to customers' lives. Look for trending items, evergreen product, or passion-driven Nikes and validate them by checking market demand reviews and competitors. Selecting reliable suppliers. Reliable suppliers are crucial for maintaining product quality and customers' trust. Always choose the suppliers with a good track record. Fast shipping times and responsive communication. Order samples to test your product quantity and work with suppliers who provide tracking information and consistent inventory updates. A strong supplier relationship can make or break your dropshipping business. Setting up payments, shipping, and policies. To run a smooth Shopify dropshipping store, you need to set up secure payment methods like PayPal, Shopify payments, or Stripe so customers can pay easily. For shipping, decide whether you will offer free shipping, flat rates, or calculated rates, and clearly communicate delivery times. Don't forget to create essential policies such as privacy policy, refund policy, and shipping policies. These build trust with customers and also protect your business. Marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Once your store is ready, marketing is a key to bringing in customers. Use a mix of paid ads, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google Shopping, and free methods. Focus on creating and engaging content using eye catching words, visuals, and targeting the right audience. Email marketing and retargeting ads can also help turn visitors into the loyal customers. Now it's a time of discuss about the most common mistakes that beginners should avoid. Many beginners fail because they pick oversaturated product, rely on unreliable suppliers, or set unrealistic profit margin. Poor product description, low quality images, and ignoring customer services are also most common mistakes. So, in short, Shopify dropshipping is a simple and low risk way to start an online business. By choosing the right Nike, working with reliable suppliers, setting up your store properly, So, guys, that is a complete beginner's guide to start Shopify dropshipping. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Khuda Hafiz.